Let's start by reading Luke 23, 32 to 43. Eric, if you could start, and then we'll read a verse each going around the table.
Okay. 2 other men, both criminals, were also led out with him to be executed.
Jesus answered him, "Truly I tell you, today you'll be with me in paradise."
So, what difference was there in the attitude of the 2 criminals?
Well, they're really different. One of them just follows the crowd and is insulting Jesus, whereas the other one seems to recognise that he can get something from Jesus. But what sort of kingdom is he expecting to get from Jesus? Is it sort of does he think Jesus isn't going to die, and then he can save him some other way?